Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to manually enable until tomorrow on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is how to manually enable until tomorrow. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on display and brightness. Scroll up. Tap on night shift. You can see manually enable until tomorrow on and off and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact peaceboard.apple.com and fix your problem. How to manually enable until tomorrow on iPhone successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.